Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to a brand new video on my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made this dress from scratch. I used a pattern, so I cheated. But go ahead and follow me along on this journey. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. I'm CelesteOrchid. I've been sewing since 2006, cosplaying since 2005, and today is my birthday. Thank you so much for coming in. Leave a comment down below saying happy birthday to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, now subscribe. Okay. For this year's birthday dress, I am going to be using this beautiful striped orchid rainbow fabric. And yes, these are rainbow orchids, just sporadically placed throughout the fabric. It is a jersey stretch, and I'm going to be using my favorite pattern, 5893, because I'm still pregnant. So let's go ahead and follow the pattern and turn this into something like this, and then we're going to add some celestial flair. This fabric is so pretty. I got this at Bedste Stoffer. Stay tuned for another video showing my Bedste Stoffer haul. Okie dokie, artichokies. I already went ahead and cut out the skirt, the top part, the sleeves, and the sleeve band. So all I have to do is assemble it. Luckily, it's a stretchy fabric, so I can really just use my, what is it called? Serger. Yeah. So I'm just going to use the fabric colors that I have now. Fabric colors. I'm going to use my thread colors that I have now and use that as a really nice way to edge the bottom of the dress, because my old one here is starting to fray a little, and that's over time. So I think I will go ahead and do that and even out the hemline that way, and then just assemble this. So I have sewn my bodice top together. I've pinned down my sleeve. Now I just need to sew it together. My skirt is kind of done, and if I want to add more embellishments, I can, but the base of the dress needs to be done first. The skirt piece was so big that I had to go around and pin and pleat several sections so that it would look nice. I do want to add elastic in the waistband so it will support the heaviness of the skirt. This fabric is pretty heavy because it's a jersey. So I'm going to make a few different lines. I'm going to definitely sew it as a basting line, then give it a second line above it, and then sew it back onto the top, creating a casing for an elastic. I went ahead and did the sewing, so you can see that this is the pleated part. I wanted to make sure that it's super secure and doesn't give me any problems when I make that casing. This is the extra part that will be seen here. You can see the stitches. So now I'm just flipping it over onto the bodice. I'm going to leave a little gap for elastic to come through. And I think I'm just going to use like a nice little thin elastic, nothing too heavy, so it doesn't cinch too hard. If I have a thicker elastic, I'll use that. But for now, I think that's going to work. Now I'm just going to do a nice zigzag stitch through it. And, you know, that's because this is a stretchy material. You don't really want to do like a non-stretchy stitch, like a single stitch. But yeah. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we got to do the neckline. Woo! So this is the dress. It's super cute. That's all I can say about it because that's what it looks like. I'm right here. Or am I? I'm so tired. Okay, anyways. Hi, Peachy! Hi, Peach! Oh my god! Oh my god, Peachy! Peach, no! 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 I hope you enjoyed this video of me making my dress, my birthday dress for 2022. If you have any questions or anything, make sure to leave them in a comment down below. And if you have nothing else to say, make sure to say happy birthday to me. And yeah. I'll see you next year with a new birthday dress. And remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!